The controversy masking up in Charlotte area private schools continues. Some parents claiming the schools not really taking the Mecklenburg County mandate seriously.
A number of parents have contacted us from different Catholic schools, say that they worry about their kids' health, and they also worry that students might end up in virtual learning because so many kids are going without masks. WCNC Charlotte defender Michelle Boudin has this story.
I can't for the life of me understand why we would change anything.
What a difference a year makes. Last year, Catholic schools across the area were some of the only ones to keep kids in class most of the year, requiring masks in the process.
We know how to do this. We know how to do it safely. We just did it. So my question is, what's the change? What changed from late May of last school year to August of this year? I mean, if anything, we're in a worse position now because of the Delta variant and the variants that will follow behind it.
This year, parents say the superintendent of Charlotte's Catholic schools has been reluctantly enforcing a countywide mask mandate after the health director pointed out parochial schools were included. The superintendent sent this email to parents offering an exemption if they filled out this form. It's so controversial, these parents whose daughter is a kindergartner at an area Catholic school asked to remain anonymous so they wouldn't face retribution. They're not alone in their concerns. The county health department confirms they've received 90 complaints about mask usage in private schools.
They sent parents an exemption form and made it very clear that if you wanted to exempt your student from wearing masks, that you could easily do so with this form. It's frustrating because it was clear, at least to me, that they were trying to follow the rules, but in the most lenient way possible.
A spokesperson from Mecklenburg area Catholic schools told us they're following the mask mandate and the proclamation issued by the health department when it comes to not requiring proof for exemptions. The spokesperson also told us so far they've seen a low number of cases and quarantines across the 9 schools, but one school closed and went all virtual for a week, and a handful of classes at other schools in the system have also had to go virtual since the start of school, with even more going virtual just this week because of the number of kids testing positive for the virus.
When I heard that, I was like, well, that's frustrating. That's exactly what I don't want to happen at our school, and it doesn't have to. If they would just simply do what they did last year. It worked out so well.
The Catholic school spokesperson told us thanks to the success last year, quote, they learned a lot about what works in a variety of masking scenarios, and that has informed their approach today, end quote. When we asked about the more easily spread Delta variant now prevalent that was not around last year, the spokesperson did not respond. Reporting in Charlotte, Michelle Boudin, WCNC Charlotte.
Michelle, thank you. For several days now, we've been reaching out to the health department for comment about the way exemptions are given out, but we still have not received a response.